We go to great lengths to provide safe, clean, reliable, and affordable water service to our communities. We invest millions in our infrastructure and conduct thousands of water quality tests to give you confidence in the service you receive. No one should have to worry about their drinking water, which is why we have a program to help reduce your risk of lead exposure. Our testing shows that the water that we deliver to your home or business meets all required state and federal requirements for lead. The most common source of lead in tap water is from lead service lines or a customer's internal plumbing. We are committed to removing the risk of lead service lines once and for all. This process is easy. If you know you have a lead service line, please contact us so we can discuss steps for replacement. This typically happens in coordination with a future water main replacement project in your community. If you live in a neighborhood where we are replacing a water main, we'll notify you and help you determine whether your service line is made of lead. We have a long history of providing community solutions, and that includes addressing lead service line replacements for your health, safety, and peace of mind. For more information about our lead service line replacement program, visit our website.